Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add an account to the Google Play Store. So let's get started and open Google Play Store. Now you have to click on your current profile picture right there in the top right corner. Click on add another account. Wait for a short while. Use your phone button. Then click continue. Okay, now you have to enter your email like this. Okay, then click next and simply enter your password. You have to scroll all the way down and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And now, if we re-enter the Google Play Store, we should have access to our new account, which we have added a moment before. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.